Hi Bala.
Hi, sir.
So, what is your demo today in Azure?
So today my demo is we'll be creating one storage account, and in that storage account we'll be enabling cores, and we'll be using deploying a sample static web page in that storage account, and we'll make that web page live. So that is my today's demo. So coming to the task out of the demo, first,
Okay, go ahead.
today's task will be first we'll be creating a storage account, then we'll be enabling static website hosting, then we'll be uploading website files into that container, and we'll be configuring website properties, and we'll try to access the website. And additionally, if we want, we can set the custom domain and enable HTTPS on that storage account as well. So, first thing, first, how to create the storage account. First, we'll be logging into Azure portal using portal.azure.com. Then click on resources and search for storage account in Global Blade. And we select the storage account like blob storage account, and then we'll start filling all the details for which subscription, what is the resource period, and storage account name, location, and choosing the location, performance, type of performance, whether it is standard or it's like high performance kind of thing, and account kind, whether it's storage V2 or it's like storage V1, and we'll be creating all the details. Additionally, with command line interface as well, we can create the storage account. Like we need to use the command AZ storage account create with the name of the storage account with under which resource group we are deploying, and a resource group name, and a location and SKU that met the standard SKU as discussed above. For example, here is the example. Azure storage account create. Here I have mentioned name as my storage account and resource group, my resource group, location as East US, and standard SKU as standard LRS, locally redundant. So post that will be enabling static web hosting. So once created like storage account, then we need to go to static web host website under settings. Then we need to enable option enable. Then we need to do the index document and error document, and then click on save. And from there, under containers, there will be a newly created container called $web, where we need to upload all our HTML, CSS, JavaScript images, and everything. And we also need to ensure that index.html file is also updated. Then we need to enable cross origin resource share, and we need to add few rules. That is, first rule is start with or whether it needs to the resource needs to come from specific domain, and type of methods should be we need to select as get head and options, and allow headers are all the headers. Here the star specified all the headers, and expose headers. We are exposing all the headers, and maximum value should enter as 3600. And we need to click on add, and we need to click on save. And once it is done, we'll be able to get the website URL. From there, we need to we need to see the URL, and we need to check for the URL. Now let's jump into like lab session. Let me share the screen. Uh, I'll show you how we will work. So I have logged into the storage. Logged into the Azure portal. So I'll be searching for storage account. Here, this is the first option. First, then I'll click on create. I'm using a free trial subscription for now, and I'll be using test RG as my resource group, the storage account. Here, we also need to make sure that the storage account name is very unique to everyone. It should be very unique storage account. And the region is West Europe. Performance is standard. I'll go with the standard V2. And redundancy, I'm selecting as local LRS. Then uh, with next, there are multiple options like security. If you want to select security, we can select. And I'm going with access tier as code for block storage. Next, networking, I'm enabling it for public networks because and data protection. Right now, I'm going with the default options. Tags, if you want to add any tags, for example, project Next, then we'll go ahead and review. We'll go ahead and create the resource storage account. Storage account is getting created. Let it deploy the resource. Still, the deployment is under progress. Yeah. So now the resource got deployed. To resource. So here is the resource which got created right now. So first, as mentioned earlier, first we need to under settings we'll find an option called static website. So here we can search from the search bar website. It's under data management, so we can select it. First, enable it, and we'll be giving both index and error document. So for index.error, index document will be index.html, and error will be error.html. It's by the way, the error document path is optional. So this, and I'm saving the. So now it is saved, right? So we need to go to containers as mentioned earlier and see dollar the container has been created or not. Yeah. So here the dollar web container has been created. Now let's go here. Right now like, there are no pages here, so be uploading index.html page. This is my index.html page. Upload index.html is uploaded. Now we need to enable cost policies as mentioned. Zero S cost, research cost, HTML cost. Allowed origins as mentioned, which will be star, and allowed methods are get, add, and options. Allowed headers are star, expose headers are star, and max is 3600. See, so for now, I'll be not setting up any custom domain. So I'll go with the default domain. Let me see if our website is live now. So for that, we'll take this endpoint, static endpoint of web.4.windows.net, copy this, search. Yes, we can see our website, which is index.html, which we have uploaded, which is index.website is good. So we can make sure that our static web page is present. Hello. Hello. Sir, sir, it's done, sir.